Hello guys, what is up? And welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you this car I made that sadly does not actually work properly. So I'll get started with the functions. Or actually, let's start with the look first. So as you can see, there's really not too much to it. I do think it looks nice though, like especially these parts right here. I love the way I made those. The back looks kind of cool in my opinion. Um, yeah, it's a open car. Nothing really much to that. Let's get on to the functions now. So you can see it has um, double wishbone independent suspension on each wheel, which is really responsive and goes all the way back up. I used a crap ton of shock absorbers because this thing's quite heavy. I believe it weighs about 1.5 kilos. So, but this actually really good. Yeah, I used DV3 as you can see, and for propulsion I hoped it worked, but didn't work. So, the goal of the project was to make a car that goes about 7, maybe 8 kilometers per hour. Which of course required a lot of gear up. So here it is. You can see the two EV3 motors connected through a differential to this black gear right here. There's a black gear which goes there. These differentials don't do anything. They just pass on the drive from this axle to this axle. Yeah, you probably didn't notice, but these are indeed two black. You can see two black gears right there, which are then connected to two black smaller ones. I could just do 3 of these on each side like that, but for some reason I just had to do differentials, and later I just decided to not change it, so I left it like that. So yeah, I mean, I can show you how this actually works. So let me grab my remote over here, and as you can see, pretty high speed of wheel turning here. Sadly, the wheels aren't actually driven through a differential, so like the motors are connected through a differential, but then the wheels are on one axle, which means whatever. And I'm not going to be showing you how this drives on land because it just doesn't drive. Therefore, there's no point to it. My next project will be something like this, except I won't be using E3, I'll be using Lego Technic, and I'll be trying to do the exactly same thing. Hoping it'll work. I don't know for sure yet. So, also if you guys have any ideas about what can I make in the future, leave a comment down in the section below and maybe I'll make it. So, yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next video.